Parveen Shakir (1952 to 1994) was a renowned Pakistani poet, teacher and civil servant best known for her evocative poetry in Urdu. Her work primarily focused on themes of love, feminism and social issues, earning her a lasting legacy in South Asian literature. Early life and education. Parveen Shakir was born on November 24, 1952 in Karachi, Pakistan. She showed an early interest in literature and went on to earn master's degree in English literature and linguistics from the University of Karachi. She later obtained a second master's degree in banking administration. Literary career. Parveen Shakir started writing poetry at a young age and gained prominence with her debut poetry collection Khushbu 1976, which was widely appreciated for its freshness and emotional depth. Her poetry was unique in that it introduced a feminine voice to Urdu poetry, which had traditionally been dominated by male poets. Her major poetry collections include Khushbu 1976, Sadberg 1980, Khud Kalami 1990, Inkar 1990, Cafe Aina, published posthumously. Her work often explored themes of romantic love, feminism, heartbreak, and social issues using delicate yet powerful imagery. She was known for her innovative use of free verse and ghazals. Career as a civil servant. In addition to her literary career, Parveen Shakir served as a bureaucrat in Pakistan Civil Services. She joined the Customs Department and later worked as the second secretary in the Central Board of Revenue. Balancing her bureaucratic duties with poetry, she remained a voice for women and progressive thought in Pakistan. Awards and recognition. Parveen Shakir was honored with the Pride of Performance Award by the Government of Pakistan in 1976, recognizing her contributions to Urdu literature. Death. Tragically, Parveen Shakir passed away in a car accident on December 26, 1994 in Islamabad. Her untimely death was a great loss to Urdu literature. Legacy. Her poetry continues to inspire new generations and her work remains widely read and quoted. She is remembered as a poet who brought a deeply personal and feminine perspective to Urdu poetry, making her one of the most beloved poets of the modern era. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social workers Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil cooks, desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap and marriage proposals for all castes. Mobile number 0323478787. You are watching Udan News.